Hello guys, good evening everyone. I'm warmly welcoming you all for this Artificial Intelligence Masterclass series day 1, and I hope you guys are super excited for this series. This is our first day, and if you guys are super excited and like super enthusiastic and some kind of energy which is burning inside you, so if it is yes, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. So, guys, before going on to the session, I would like to tell you something. This series is not gonna be the sessions which you guys have attended in your lockdown days, because in the lockdown, people used to attend the live session by keeping their mobile phone aside because the session was not interactive, or it might be boring, or it might be not application oriented. So that's why I really wanted to make this 30-day series is to be super interactive and super knowledgeful and completely application oriented series. So each and every day you are going to build some project, and yes, so you may have some doubts which is running in your mind. The doubt is, Sanjay, will this class for 30 days for free? Yes guys, 30 days for free, but only one thing is it is going to be completely live. Okay, only this video is going to be available on that day itself. Okay, later if you are wanted to see the video tomorrow, it will be deleted. Okay, so please watch or please stay connected with me on live. And the reason why we are conducting this for 30 days is, guys, whatever the thing which you are doing for more than 30 days, okay, that will be turned into a habit for you. So if you are playing for 30 days, if you are surfing in Instagram for 30 days, it will be turning into a habit. So you can't able to come out from it. So that's why, to make learning as a habit for you, we are making this 30-day series on artificial intelligence completely for free. And the source code which I'm going to be showing you, I'm not going to be hiding anything. You can just see and you can type. Okay, so I hope you really love this journey approach. If you really love this journey approach, and you all on fire to be in this 30 days challenge to make learning as a habit for you, you just post on fire emojis, Sanjay, in your comment chat. Okay, so you just post fire emojis in the live chat. So before going out to the session, I would like to welcome the people present here. Aditi, hi. Vicky, hi. Solomon, hi. Rifat, hi. Sakshi, Aslin, Hasan, Abu Talib, K-pop, and MD here Hussain, and Sudhana, Vipin, then Gangadeep, and Ebuka, and Prabhu, Anil, hi, Tamil, hi, Tamil Arisin, Ruchi, and Molesh, Sachin, and Prasuna. Guys, I am feeling really happy. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting fire emojis. Hasha Gorwal, Prasuna Lahari. It's super amazing, guys. Chats are really running fast. I'm feeling really happy. Thank you so much for doing this, and keep on being like this, kind of like doing interaction, so that will make a session not to be boring and it need to be super interactive. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And before going out to the session, there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available in between the live session. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Attendance link will be available at any time in the live. Okay, don't worry about it. You can fill up the attendance link once the session is completed, and don't rush up for the attendance. And minimum 25 days our attendance are required to get free e-certificate. Yes, if you are attending this 30 days live on YouTube, you will be getting a certificate only if you are filling that minimum of 25 days of attendance. And today's session is gonna be around 90 minutes without any interaction. Additionally, if you based on your questions and interaction, the live duration might be increased. Only today the session is going to be long because we are going to be covering a lot more stuff, and we are going to be creating a chatbot today. So how many of you people are really waiting for to create a chatbot? If you are really waiting for it, you just post I'm waiting for Sanjay in your live chat. And today's session, yes, and then you just want to stay till the end. So okay, so this session, whatever the session's duration, you just want to stay till the end, so that you can get today's materials like PowerPoint presentation, that mind map, everything which I'm going to be sharing only for the people who are all staying till the end. And finally, there is also an amazing gift today. So I'm going to be asking you very 5 simple questions. If you have attended this session carefully with 100% attention, like you'll be getting a chance to win an amazing gift. That amazing gift announcement is just gonna be given at the end of the session. Okay, so yes, a lot of people are posting I'm waiting. Pranjali and Tamil Arasin, Faith and Priyavrat and Godwin. Wonderful, guys, wonderful. A lot of people are posting fire emojis and I'm waiting. Wonderful, guys, that's amazing. Okay, so guys, before going on to the series, before going for the session, I really wanted to talk some major the very important thing which I really wanted to talk with you. Guys, each and every people, you might be a school student, you might be a college student, you may be a professor, you might be working in some other company, you might be a researcher. Learning is highly necessary, but on that phase of learning, people used to face some problems. So the problem such as, if there is more content, for an example, if I'm going to take this class for more than 2 hours or 5 hours, you will be feeling bored, or you will be feeling, oh my god, it can't be done, right? So if there are more content like blah blah blah, theoretical and those stuff, you won't learn. And the second problem where people won't learn is if it is hard. So if the technical person is using lot of technical terms, technical words, and if the language is, so if it is really difficult, you won't learn. And their third one, if there are very less application. For an example, if you are completing some journey, you can't even able to build your project by yourself, or you are having only 2 or 3 projects at the end. So it is really a waste of learning, right? Because we need to learn, we need to do lot of projects. And if the session was not interactive, if you can't able to interact with your instructor, and if the session was not precise, so these are all the problems in the field of learning. So how many of you people are agreeing to this point? So if you all agree to this point, you just post "I agree, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, so yes. If there is more content, hard to learn, less application, not interactive, not precise, definitely will be getting bored to learn. So guys, how many of you people are here? You just tell me, in your school days or in your college days, you have a favorite subject. It's not based on the subject, it is based on the faculty which you really love. Because the faculty who used to have war face, like terror face, will be feeling no, I don't want this faculty to teach for me. I really hate this subject. So how many of you people have experienced that? If you all experience that, you just post your emojis, or you just post your comments in the live chat. So whenever the faculties are like war face, like they just like blah 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 blah, so you will be literally hate that subject. But instead, if the session or if the classes was very fun, and if it is having a lot of interaction, and the faculties was very love to connect with you, love to listen to you, so definitely will be feeling very attached towards the subject and then faculty even, right? So I hope you used to agree that. Okay, so if you used to agree that, you just post "I agree, Sanjay," and you just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so this is what it's all about, right? So I hope you will used to agree to this point. So on that basis, we are going to provide a system. And also, while talking about the problem in learning, we people used to tell me like problem is lack of information. Guys, actually problem is not a lack of information, because if you are going for a Google or in YouTube or wherever you want, so you used to get millions and millions of results. You just see here how many results we are getting. So whatever the courses or whatever else. So problem is not the lack of information. I'm telling you, problem is information overload. So we used to get billions and billions of results. People used to not having an idea from where can I start, which is gonna be suitable for me. So this is the problem, right? So if it is yes, the answer, yes is the answer, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so problem is not a lack of information, problem is information overload. So this is the major problem where people used to have. And actually what people actually need is a clear cut, precise and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. Okay, so that's why we guys have created a system to overcome a problem. Guys, I'll tell you another problem. Okay, so guys, how many are so I'll tell you another problem. Guys, how many of you people are here who, some people will love programming, but most of the people didn't love programming or math or whatever. But whenever you are going for some other courses portal, or you can call it like whatever else, Udemy or any other course providers, whatever. So whenever you are going there, people used to suggest you need to master the programming first. So on that point itself, you will be thinking, what? Do I need to master programming? Okay, so I'll start the journey. So whenever you are taking Python programming and start learning or start completely mastering the Python, you will be started feeling difficulties. So difficulties in the sense, initially it will be good, like print statement, if loop, else, if condition, else condition, a while loop, for loop, it will be easy. But as days going by, like whenever it is including like objects, like pointers or classes, so you will be losing your confidence on learning that. So, okay, so I'm not good for programming. So I'm not good for web development. I'm not good for artificial intelligence learning. I'm not good for app development, whatever else. How many of you people have experienced it? If you have experienced this, you just post yes, Sanjay in your live chat. Because based on that problem statement, we guys have created a new system. That's what the main difference between other coaching centers or course providers or teachers which is out there. So our system is going to be completely different, where it will solve your problem. The problem is so that the difficulty which you are facing. So we guys have created the system which contains three main core points. Number one point, first of all, I'll be teaching you the concept. So in this 30 days, you are going to build more than 25 plus project, I think. So how many of you people are really excited to build a 25 plus project under the category of computer vision, chatbot, Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI using cloud, AI using hardware? So how many of people are really excited? If you are super excited for that, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. So we guys have concept. So on this 30 days, first of all, I'm going to be on the each and every day. First, I'll be giving you the concept. What is the algorithm? What is the solution which we are going to give? What problem we are going to solve? That is the concept we are going to learn. And then I'm going to be teaching you the basic programming syntax, which is required to complete that project. And then finally, the third thing, you will be building a project. On each and every day, it is going to be like that. You're going to learn a concept. You're going to learn a programming syntax. You're going to build a project parallelly. Okay, so that you won't feel learning programming is going to be difficult, or each and every day you're also going to build some project. So I hope you really love this approach, love this methodology. If you really love this methodology, you just post, I love this, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, and it's my pleasure to give introduction about Pantech Solutions. While talking about a Pantech Solutions, it's not like a coaching-based company which has been started in like now. So it is actually a product-based company where we used to manufacture 300 plus products, and Pantech Solutions is crossing nearly 18th year of its journey, where we used to explore a lot of technology under the category of product. So we as a company, we really know what is the expectation of the product based company. So that's why we also created a company called Warriorsway to transfer our complete knowledge in the format of courses, where we'll be teaching the skill set, mindset, and money making coaching, entrepreneurship coaching, and everything which is going to be coached by us based on our 18 years of experience. Okay, and what you're going to learn in this 30 days. So guys, let me give some introduction to you about what are the stuff you're going to learn, because this category is being divided into some more very important core part. So guys, how many of you people are here who really don't know, or who really wanted to know something, or people who have confusion among something? Sanjay, my neighborhood or my friends or my colleague used to talk about data science, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. But Sanjay, I really don't know what is the difference between those things. I really don't know what is the difference between data analyst and data scientist. I really don't know what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. I really don't know what is the roadmap to become a data scientist. What is the step-by-step procedure to go through that? So if you are having this confusion among you, you just post, I have Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, I really love you guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting. I am wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Super guys. That's amazing. So these are all the questions running in your mind, right? To clear that questions, today's session is going to be there for you to clear all your doubts. And then you are going to learn about how to install the Python. And you may have something thoughts running in your mind. Sanjay, I am a beginner. I don't know anything about programming. I haven't worked on AI before. This 30 days will be helpful for me? Yes. Because if you are just seeing here, it will be starting from the LKG of the artificial intelligence. Okay, you can also call it like pre-KG. Okay, so it is going to be beginning from the scratch to the master level. So it is going to be very suitable for you. I'm going to be teaching you like small baby. Okay, like I'm going to be spoon feed everything to you. So whatever the problem you will face, error based learning, application based learning, I'm going to be teaching completely from the scratch. So don't worry about it. Okay, so first of all, the first day and second day, it is going to be about introduction to AI, chatbot creation, and tomorrow it is going to be a Python installation and every libraries. And then the second section, which is a computer vision section, where you'll be building a lot of projects under the category of like computer vision, like moving object detection, face detection, and tracking using OpenCV, object tracking based on the color using OpenCV. So likewise, this section is gonna be categorized as for project. You just see here how many projects you're going to see or you're going to do by yourself today in the series. And then we are going to have the third section, which is machine learning section. So while talking about the machine learning section, we have what to say, we have the projects like fake news detection, AI snake game design, using reinforcement learning. Okay, so likewise, it is going to have a lot of problem which you are going to solve. And deep learning, you just see here how many lists you have. Okay, and then we have natural language processing and its projects, and finally digital image processing. Likewise, we used to have lot of projects in this series, so absolutely free. You can just see and you can type, or you can complete this project by yourself. Okay, so I hope you guys are super excited. Guys, are you guys all ready? Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so are you guys all ready? So yeah, just give your responses in the live chat. If you all ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yes, so yeah, before going on to the session, I really can able to understand, or I can able to listen to you, that you are waiting for the session. But before that, so it's me, myself, Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager and data scientist at Pantech Solutions, or Pantech.AI. And my technological expertise, which is about the brain computer interface technology, that is what the first technology which I've worked on. And then embedded system, because I am completely from ECE background. So I used to work with that microcontrollers, microprocessors, FPGA, CPLD, and those stuffs, and Internet of Things, IoT, and data science, of course. And parallelly, I'm just used to solve a lot of business related problem. Now I'm currently working on that, and in between, I just also worked on blockchain and robotic operating system and autonomous robot design and those stuff. So these are all the technological expertise which is all about. And I hope you already know about Elon Musk, right? So if you know about the Elon Musk, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat, because he's also working in the kind of technology where they can able to connect brain with their computer. So that is what is all about. So that is what the technology which I have also worked on. If you are just looking out the images, I just weird some device, So that is what is all about. Okay, so that is all about that BCI. So yeah. So yes, a lot of people are knowing that. Okay, wonderful, guys. Thank you so much for giving the reply. Okay, so let us begin this. Okay, so first of all, while talking about this AI category, so I really wanted to ask you something. Okay, I really wanted to ask you something. So what is the question is, you might have watched a lot of artificial intelligence based movies, right? So how many of you people are really watched AI based movies? You guys tell me what are all the AI movies you guys have watched so far. You just give your responses in the live chat. So what are all the AI based movies you guys have watched so far? You just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Guys, is the session is going superb? Okay, is the session is going great? Is it interactive? You just give your responses in the live chat. Yes, a lot of people are giving their responses. Matrix, Robo, Avengers, Terminator, wonderful, Neural. Okay, so and Avengers 2.0 and Chitty and what are all the movies? Yes, iRobot. Yes, Endiran. Okay, great. Interstellar, great, amazing. Iron Man, Terminator, wonderful, super great. It's amazing. That's amazing. It's super great. Interstellar, Iron Man, Passengers, Real Steel. Okay, wonderful, guys. Wally, yes, amazing. Yes. Okay, super amazing, guys. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for giving the wonderful reply. Yes. So while talking about the movies, you guys have watched that. Each and every time, whenever in that movies, the good scientist will create a robot. Okay, so people, the scientist will use to create a robot, and at some point of time, that robot will be turned into a villain, and that is going to be fight between the good robot and bad robots, right? So that's what it's happening. So while talking about an AI, which is the replication of human's intelligence, but it is going to be the enhanced version of the human being. So before going further on to the AI, let me give you some clarity about the hierarchy of data science, data analytics, and AI. I think you can able to see the picture clearly. You may have some question, Sanjay, if people used to talk about data science, is there that data science is not related with AI? No. Everything is going to be interlinked. You just see this picture. First of all, there is a major circle, AI circle. and inside that AI cycle there is a machine learning, and inside the machine learning we have a deep learning. So ML is the subset of AI, DL is the subset of ML. So this is what the one major circle which is out there. On the other hand, we have another major circle which is data science, and inside the data science we have data analytics. Inside the data analytics we have data mining. Okay, on the other hand, we have a big data. So everything is going to be interlinked, because data science is going to take some part from the AI circle as well. Okay, guys, did you guys have got clear idea by just simply observing this hierarchy? I really know you don't know what is that data science and data analytics, but just observe the hierarchy first, because I'll be giving the clarity to you. Don't worry about it. Just observe the picture, and if you guys have got clarity, you just post bulb on Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so just each and every part is going to be a little bit interlinked, because AI is also going to have some part from data science, and big data is also going to take some part from AI and data science as well. So it is like completely interlinked. So this is the hierarchy of AI, ML, DL, and data science, data analytics, machine, data mining, and big data and those stuff. Okay. Yes, bulb on. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Yeah. So while talking about this AI in specific, AI which is being categorized into two more subcategories. Number one is strong AI and weak AI. Guys, you guys have told me like a lot of AI based movies, right? Yes, Ready Player One, wonderful movie. So likewise, people used to watch a lot of movies, right? So the AI which is present in those movies are said to be strong AI. Okay, which is very strong, like that is what the strong AI is, which it can able to do multiple tasks at the same time. So it will learn, it will do those tasks. Okay, it will learn from different tasks like eating, or sorry, like cooking or dancing or fighting or thinking and giving the solution. So those kind of AI is said to be strong AI. Whereas the AI which we are working on the project, like simple single projects, those AI are said to be a weak AI. Okay, so guys, are you all clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat. So are you clear? Are you clear about the strong AI and weak AI? So if you are super clear, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you guys all super clear? So you just give your responses in the live chat. So yeah, so you just give your responses. Okay, so you just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Are you all super clear? Okay, if you all super clear, just give your responses in the live chat, because I really need each and every people's acknowledgement, so that we can learn like combined learning. So it's like acknowledgement based learning and those stuff. Okay, so it'll be great. Okay, so is it amazing? Is it great? Okay, so this is what the hierarchy which we guys have gone through, right? So now what I'm going to be talking about is, I'm going to be telling you a story to clearly understand the difference between data science and data analytics. Okay, yeah, some people are posted no. Okay, I'll tell you again. Okay, so AI, like one AI, the AI which we used to saw in movies, those AI are said to be strong AI. Okay, because it can do more kind of learning. It will do cooking, it will do dancing, it will do fighting. So those AI is said to be strong AI. The application which we have, like that autonomous robot or autonomous car or this emotion recognition AI. So these are all the AI which is said to be weak AI. Okay, the people who posted no, I hope you are clear now. So if you are clear now, you just post I'm clear now, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, now I'm going to be telling you a story. So I hope you really love stories to understand something, because from our school days, we used to love stories so that we can understand a certain topic clearly. Okay, so to clear out the doubts regarding the role of data science and data analytics, I'm going to be telling you the story. If you are ready for the story, if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Crystal clear. Wonderful. Gifty for posting that. Super. Okay, so yes. So guys, are you all with me? So please be attentive and please sit on like tip of your chair. Okay, so you just try to come with me, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to be telling you the story to understand what is the difference between machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst. Okay, so please be with me. So if you all with me, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so now you just imagine you all living in some state or some city. So on that city there is one restaurant. That restaurant is nearly like it worked very well for the past 5 years. Okay, from 2015 to 2020, the restaurant ran very good. Okay, and also that restaurant maintained their data properly. Maintained the data properly in the sense, how many dosas were being sold, how many chapatis were being sold, and the rating of each and every dishes, like ambience rating, and every data they guys have maintained, if that is the scenario. Okay, so for the past 5 years that restaurant ran very well, and they also guys have maintained their data properly. Data analysis like customer analysis or dishes analysis, chef analysis, chef ratings, and those stuff, everything they guys have maintained their data properly. For an example, if that restaurant is not really working now, okay, so now if the restaurant is not working well, that restaurant can't the sales which has been dropped now. Okay, what that restaurant owner will do is that team will recruit either data analyst or business analyst, or data scientist might be. Okay, moreover they'll require business analyst. Okay, just try to come with me. I'll begin with the role of initial business analyst and data analyst. Business analyst and data analyst, they'll completely work on the past data, but a business analyst will go very in depth on the business. Okay, that is the only difference. Okay, let me come to the example again. So they are recruiting that business analyst or data analyst. What is their first job is to collect as much data they can. The past complete 5 years. Okay, so the complete for the past 5 years of data they guys have maintained, right? They guys have maintained there in the pen drive, or it might be present in their hard disk, it might be present in their laptop, it might be present on their PC, it might be present on the Google Drive, it might be present on some databases, wherever else. What is the first task? Data acquisition. So what is the role of data analyst or business analyst or data scientist? Data acquisition is the first role. What is meant by data acquisition? They'll collect the data from every sources. From Google Drive, from pen drive, from laptop, from hard disk, from databases, wherever else. That is the first step. Okay, please try to post it with me. What is the first step? Data acquisition. Okay, once every data has been collected, they will transform the data. What is the data transformation? It might not be mandatory, but based on the data they have, the problem they have. The problem is like some data might be in Excel sheet, some data might be in the notepad, some data might be in CSV file. So they'll completely transform into a universal format, which the format they need. That is the second step, data transformation. And the third thing which they will do is they'll clean the data. Okay, what is that cleaning is? While talking about the numbers, while talking about an Excel sheet with the numbers, you can able to see that it doesn't require about, like, you don't require that transactional ID. Do you need that? No. So that kind of unwanted information like empty spaces, blank rows, blank columns. So whenever the data are having like very cluster, those data are gonna be removed. Okay, data cleaning, that is gonna be your third step. And fourth step, data visualization. Guys, if you are just seeing numbers, you can't able to make any decisions. But instead, if you are just simply observing the data in terms of graph, you can able to easily make a decision. So I hope you will agree to this point. So data visualization. So what is the role of data analyst or business analyst is they'll acquire the whole complete past data and they'll make a decision. What kind of decision? By simply observing the graph. These are the month you got more sales, and this dishes were very poor because that dishes rating were very less. For an example, the chapatis rating were, if the chapatis rating were very less, so who cooked that? Who is that chef? So fire the chef. Like kind of suggestion, that kind of decision you can make it with the help of data. And the ambience rating were very poor, so you just want to improve your ambience by investing some amount of money to have a decoration to attract youngsters and those stuff. And if the visitors of that restaurants were very less, you just want to do a lot of marketing, do Instagram marketing, or do promote with the help of lot of influencers. So likewise, they'll give lot of suggestion. They can make lot of decision based on the data. If the chef rating were very good, so for an example, the dosa, the rating were, if it is were very good, so what they'll do is that chef rating is really good because that dish is superb, amazing. It performed really well, and we also got more sales from dosas itself. So don't fire the chef. That chef, you just want to hold it down. So likewise, people used to make a decision based on the data. Okay, so based on the data, they'll make a decision, they'll make a suggestion. Okay, for an example, if some dishes were very poor, okay, the people are giving very worst rating, these dishes were very worst. So what they can do is they can fire the chef and they recruit new people to make that dish very like very tasty, so that that rating might be increased further. So likewise, a lot of the business decision is gonna be made with the help of the data. You really love stories? Okay, if you really love the story kind of explanation, you just post, I love you, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. This is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. Data analyst will simply stick on to the data. Whatever the data, they'll simply analyze, they'll do the visualize, they'll probably report it. If it is a business analyst, they'll go very in depth on the business to understand what is the business and what is the business product and everything. They'll go very in depth on the business. This is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. They'll simply make a decision based on the past data. That's it. I hope you are clear. Then Sanjay, what is the role of data and scientist? Simple. Apart from the past data, they'll also try to predict the future. So predicting the future in the sense, if someone has been if the sales is going like this, what is going to be the future? Again, the next story, for an example, if you're working in some other BMW company, so if you are BMW restaurant or whatever, sorry, BMW showroom, so if a lot of people used to come and get their quotation, right? So quotation they are just getting. So you have the past data, you can analyze it and you can train your machine learning algorithm to predict whether the customer will buy the product or not by based on the past existing data. And whenever the new customer is coming in, they are just getting a quotation. And what you can do is you can predict whether that person will buy the product or not. If there is more possibility will that customer buy the product, then you will make a lot of calls to him. You can give a lot of offers to him to easily convert. You can increase the conversion percentage of that sales. So that is what the role of data scientist, who they'll work on the end task. So for that prediction, they need to get the skills like Python programming, machine learning, and deep learning and those stuff. Okay, Amrit, BMW restaurant. I'm really sorry. Yeah. So yeah. So this is what the journey, guys. So what is the role? What is the steps? Data acquisition, taking the data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, applying machine learning or deep learning algorithm to predict the future. And again, if there is any visualization required, that is also going to be done. This is what the role of data scientist. Okay, guys, is it super insightful? If it is super insightful, you just post it's super insightful, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, so guys, you just give your responses in the live chat. Is it super insightful? You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so this is what the journey is all about. Okay, one data scientist role is these are all the things which they will do. Where as you are a people, you have lot of opportunities. So while talking about an opportunities, we can only become a machine learning engineer. We can only become data analyst. You can become data scientist. You can become NLP engineer. You can become computer vision engineer. There are a lot of possibilities we have. Okay. So now let us go a little bit in depth on AI. So while talking about an AI, for an example, let us take some person. So Avinash Gankor is there. So Avinash is here. So you just imagine Avinash want to create a robot like him. Okay. So Avinash want to create a robot like him. If that is the scenario, what Avinash want to do is Avinash also have some knowledge, like I'm not talking about Avinash programming knowledge or communication skills and those stuff. I'm talking about as a human being, we all have some specific knowledge. For an example, if you are just seeing this object, what you'll tell. So what is this object? You just give your responses in the live chat. This is a mobile phone, right? So how you are identifying, because by the structure, by the shape and those stuff, right? So for an example, how many of you people have here used Nokia keypad mobile phones? You just try to imagine if you are giving that keypad mobile phones for playing to the newborn kids nowadays, they'll simply throw away. So how many of you people agree to this? If you all agree to this, you just post agree, Sanjay, in your live chat, right? So they won't identify or they won't recognize or they won't tell that is a mobile phone, because but while talking about us, we guys have lived without mobile phone, we guys have lived keypad mobile phones, we guys have used touchscreen mobile phones, we are using infinity display mobile phone nowadays. So that is what the thing. So we, as a human being, we have a lot of knowledges. I'm not talking about the programming knowledge again. I'm telling you, I'm talking about the general specific knowledges in the sense, the vision based knowledge. So whenever you are just seeing this, you will be telling that this is a mobile phone, and if you are just seeing this, you will tell this is a water bottle. So we have the vision based knowledge, lot more vision based knowledge. We have taste based knowledge. We have smell based knowledge. We have language based knowledge. Okay, guys, how the session is going? So is it super amazing? You just give your responses in the live chat. This is what the knowledge. So if Avinash want to create a robot like him, what Avinash will do is Avinash want to transfer his knowledge, his experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. I'm repeating again. As a human being, we need to transfer, like we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act, and which is going to solve some certain problem. That is what the AI is. So let us compare and learn another more stuff. Guys, you just imagine another story scenario. You are hungry, very hungry, and if you are sitting inside the room, and if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, like it might be a biryani or it might be some sweet or some other thing, so which you really love. So what is gonna be your reaction? You just post your emojis in the live chat. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. So what is gonna be your emotion? So in terms of emojis, because whenever you are really hungry, you'll be recognized. Aha, it is a biryani. I really want to eat it, right? So I really want to have that now itself because I'm super hungry. So you can able to identify the smell differences between the like what is it? That biryani smell versus some rotten some smell, right? So as a human being, we have that ability. What ability? Analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. So you are analyzing something, you are used to identify the pattern between biryani smell or socks, whatever, like unwashed sock smell or whatever, right? So you have that analyzing ability. It might be taste, it might be smell, it might be, like for an example, if you are sitting inside a room, you can able to feel the temperature which was very cold, so you can able to identify, okay, so it is raining outside. So whatever you are just comparing the human being, as a human being, we have that analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. This ability we have. So if you want to transfer this ability to a machine, we used to have a concept called machine learning or deep learning. Okay, are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat here. Okay, this is what is all about. What is it? It's like machine learning and deep learning. So this is what is all about. Okay, so while talking about that, the second ability of the human being is listening and speaking. So guys, you guys tell me, what is the common thing which we need to have for having a mutual communication? You just give your responses in the live chat. So why I'm talking that is because if you want to have a mutual communication, we need something that you'll tell. Here, while talking about the data is going to be text or audio data. And here, the very important method we should use is NLP. NLP is nothing but natural language processing. This is what the additional concept which we need to use. So machine learning or deep learning is default. Okay, definitely this needed to be done because even though it is a language, we need to have analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. So for that, machine learning or deep learning is going to be necessary. But additionally, we need NLP. And the third thing, human can see and recognize. So here the data is going to be image or video data. And the here very important method which we used to have is computer vision. Okay, are you clear? I'm repeating again. As a human being, you can able to sense something, right? So you can sense and you can analyze, identify pattern, making a decision. For that, we have sensory organs. For robot, we can put up. So Avinash want to create a robot means that robot want to have that sensor. So instead of sensory organs, as a human being, we need to put up the sensors for the robot. So with the help of sensors, the data is going to be a numerical data and the concepts such as like machine learning or deep learning. And second thing, human can listen and speak. We have ears and mouth to listen and speak and brain to process it. So here the data is going to be text or audio data because chatbot or the voice assistants which we used to have like Google Assistant, Siri and those stuff. So here the concept which is NLP. Okay, NLP with additionally with machine learning or deep learning. And human can see and recognize. We can able to see. So we have eyes. For robot, we can put up a camera. The data is going to be image or video data. And the concept which is going to be computer vision and deep learning. Okay. So is it super amazing? So guys, if you really love to being here, if you guys have got clear idea about what is the difference between when to choose computer vision, when to choose NLP, and when to choose ML or DL, what is the difference between data analyst and data scientist? If you guys have got clear idea, if you're really feel like happy about by seeing by he being here, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so are you all happy now? Okay, if you're all happy now, just post, give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so this is what is all about. Okay, so while talking about this and while talking about especially about studies, as I've already told you, you have lot of options. You can only become NLP engineer. You can only become computer vision and deep learning engineer. You can become data analyst. You can become data scientist. You can only become a machine learning engineer. There are a lot of opportunity for you to become. There are a lot of studies also which is out there. You can able to see data analyst, you can become machine learning engineer, you can also become a deep learning engineer. So this is what the studies which you can master. So while talking about data analyst, as I've already told you this, so these are the stuffs. Okay, so while talking about the steps, Sanjay, okay, let you just tell me how can I go through with the steps. Like if I am going to create some AI application, like any deep learning or application, what is the steps I need to go through? Actually, what is the first step is you need to collect the data. Okay, so guys, shall we go for the next story? So if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat, ready to listen. Okay, so while talking about a story, like you just imagine you're going to create a robot. Okay, so which want to identify the mobile phone and water bottle. Okay, are you all with me? So if you're all with me, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so if you want to create a robot, that robot want to identify this mobile phone and this water bottle, if that is the task. So as per the steps, number one step is gathering a data. Okay, so what kind of application it is? Is it a vision based application or is it a language based application or is it whatever? Okay, you just give me or you just tell me which methodology will you choose for this project? Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Let us see who is gonna give the answer. Will you choose NLP or will you choose computer vision or will you choose some other technique? You just give your responses in the live chat because the first step here is a gathering data. Okay, while talking about a gathering data, what you will do is you will collect 1,000 images of mobile phone, 1,000 images of this water bottle. So 1,000 images is like this one, like this one. I think you can able to see me, right? So like this, like this, like this, like this, right? So in this angle, in this angle, in this angle, in this angle. So likewise, you will collect 1,000 images of mobile phone and you will collect 1,000 images of water bottle. Okay, that is what your first step. So you will collect the data. And what is the second step is data preparation. Data preparation is nothing but transformation or cleaning or visualization. Like the unwanted images or unclear images, those images which is going to be deleted, we are going to prepare the data or pre-processing in the images. If you need only black and white image, you can convert that into a black and white image. So likewise, data preparation is going to be done. That is going to be your second step. And third step, choosing a model. So concept and algorithm. So while talking about choosing a model, which is like what's it? It's like what kind of algorithm will you choose? As you guys have already told me, like a lot of people have posted computer vision and deep learning, computer vision and deep learning. I'm super amazing, guys. I'm amazed, guys. Thank you so much for giving wonderful and right answer. The right answer is computer vision. So you will choose what kind of methodology you are going to choose and what kind of concept you will going to choose and what kind of algorithms you are going to choose. So that is what the third step which you want to do. And the fourth step, you want to train with the help of the data which you have collected, prepared. And then you need to evaluate. Evaluate in the sense to see the performance of the trained model. What is the accuracy of the model? What is the loss of the model? What is the sensitivity of the model? So likewise, you will evaluate the models. And then if your evaluation is not that much good, for an example, if you got 91% accuracy, you can tune some of the parameter or you can increase the data set from 2000 to 5000 images. So likewise, you will tune a lot of parameter to improve your accuracy. Finally, if you got 99.1% accuracy, if you are okay with that, then finally you will do the prediction. This is what the seventh step of building one AI project. First step, gathering a data, data preparation, choosing a model, training, evaluation, parameter tuning, and prediction. Okay, so guys, is it super insightful? So if you all happy up to now, if you all satisfied up to now, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so if you are not satisfied, you can give your responses in the live chat. I am here to solve the problem which you are facing. Okay, because I really want to satisfy here each and every people out there. So I really wanted to connect with you as your friendly mentor. Okay, you just give your responses in the live chat. Satisfied. Okay, I'm getting a lot of satisfied. Thank you so much, Kartika. I'm satisfied, Anna. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, you can, if you are not satisfied, give me the reason so that I can try to fix me. Okay, so this is what is all about. I hope you guys have got clear idea about the studies and those stuff. Okay, so yeah, super. Okay, great, amazing. Okay, so guys, do you really love short bites? Do you really love bonuses? Okay, if you really love bonuses, and between I can give you some bonuses as well. Okay, so yeah, so before that, another very important thing which I want to share with you. Sanjay, what are all the job roles which you can apply for? You just see here, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. You can become, as I've already told you, like even though you can become as like computer vision. Sorry, you can also become computer vision engineer as well, computer vision and deep learning engineer, or you just see here what are all the job roles which I've just listed, like analytics manager, business manager. So likewise, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. Just see here, marketing analyst, business analyst. I really don't want to read it, since simply just look it out. What are all the job roles you can able to apply for? So now you may have some thoughts running in your mind. Sanjay, if I want to become a data scientist, what is the roadmap to become a data scientist? So how many of you people wanted to know? So if you wanted to know, you just post WTK Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, wanted to know. So guys, if you want to become a data scientist, so if you want to become a computer vision or deep learning engineer, that's easy. So you can just simply move on towards learning computer vision and those stuff. But additionally, if you want to become, or if you want to become a data scientist, what is the roadmap? While talking about the roadmap to become a data scientist, I have the list. Number one tool which you need to master is Excel. You may think, Sanjay, are you serious? Do I want to learn Excel? Excel is the very easy, funny, and very simple tool. Do I want to Excel, guys? You are not knowing what is the power of Excel, because Excel is having lot more facility where you can do data acquisition, data cleaning, data visualization, dashboard creation, automations, lot more stuff which you can able to do it with the help of Excel. So that is what the first skill which you need to master. And second thing, statistics. So guys, how many of you people are here remember the statistics? The statistics in the sense like mean, median, standard deviation. So if you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the statistical skill. It is the backbone of the data scientist. So statistical skill is also necessary. And while talking about the programming, there are a lot wide varieties of programming options like Python or C or whatever. But while talking about the easy learning and very effective, so Python is going to be very easy to master. So that's why my suggestion to go for Python. This 30 days is going to be completely with the Python programming. And the fourth, which one is data visualization. While talking about the data visualization, you need some skills to visualize the data, which we need to apply which graph. So likewise, you need to have a data visualization skills, and you need to get skills about the NumPy and Pandas library, which is going to be helpful for handling the data set, numbers, arrays, and those stuff. And another very important tools, or which important skill which you need to get, is BI tools, business intelligence tools like Power BI and Tableau. And the seventh skill which you need to get is a database skills like MySQL and MongoDB. Especially you need to get a skills like SQL. So don't forget about it. And then eighth skill, which is machine learning, and ninth one, which is deep learning. So previously they won't ask for the deep learning, but nowadays they used to ask that also. So these are the skills you need to master. Okay. So if you took snap of it, you just post, I took Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So Excel, statistics, programming, especially Python, data visualization, NumPy and Pandas, business intelligence tools like Power BI and Tableau, database skills like MySQL and MongoDB, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay, so this is what the roadmap to become a data scientist. Okay, so these are all the skills you need to master it. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Are you all satisfied? And if you took a picture, okay, so wonderful, guys. Took before you said. Super amazing. Super. Guys, please don't spam for attendance. If you are just staying here for attendance and only for the certificate, it is not a right place for you. Okay, yeah, this is what the roadmap to become a data scientist. Okay, and while talking about the company skills, which is like we need to have the storytelling skills, especially because you need to convey a lot of the reports which you have created, the sales dashboard or whatever. You need to be able to create, or you need to be able to convey your or you need to be able to convey your insight which you have got from the data. So data preparation skills, number crunching skills, storytelling skills, asking question skills, technology which I've already talked about, the tools and like methods. So those skills which we need. Okay, this is all about an application. So while talking about application, we'll discuss it later. Okay, because the dashboard or the chatbot creation is waiting for you, right? So I think a lot of people are really waiting for to create a chatbot. So if you are really waiting for to create a chatbot, you just post eagerly Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so yeah, so this is what it's all about. Okay, so are you all ready? Okay, so are you all ready for creating a chatbot? If you are ready for creating a chatbot, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat, or eagerly Sanjay in your live chat. But before that, I hope you really love bonuses. So that's why I really want to raise some poll. Okay, so before that, wait a minute. Okay, so how many of you people are here who have worked with ChatGPT? Okay, who already know about ChatGPT, who already worked about on ChatGPT. Okay, so okay, I'm just raising the poll. You just give your responses in the live chat, so that I'm gonna be giving this as a short poll where I can give you some talks about ChatGPT as well. Because in this series, we used to cover a lot more stuff. We used to give a lot of bonuses apart from learning some boring or sometimes theoretical. So to make session to be very interactive, I used to love to give this kind of short bonuses, short tips, short financial advices, or not advices. It's like friendly suggestions. So that's what it's all about. And I just raised in the poll. You just give your responses in the live chat. If you really wanted to know, you just post. You just give yes, else you just give no. Okay. So you just give your responses in the live chat. So what is the thing is, this chat GPT, it just created a great change in the people where they are just searching in their Googles. Okay. So that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to be exploring this. So chat GPT is by OpenAI. So I've already created an account. You can also visit this URL and you can also create an account. Don't do it now. Okay. You can try it out later. So this is the chat GPT where you can ask whatever the question which you really want. For an example, how can I make pizza in my home? Okay, so this is the question. Means if you are just pressing, if you are typing, if you are pressing an enter, it has been automatically already analyzed lot of internet based text which is already available in the internet, so it can able to give the answers here. Okay, while talking about the chat gpt, now they just changed it into little bit pricing, but free is also available. You just see here, to make pizza at home you will need following ingredients: pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, toppings of your choice like pepperoni, vegetables, or those things. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Roll out the pizza dough on the flowed surface to a desired thickness. So likewise, he used to give me the detailed description. If you are really feeling this is not sufficient for me to make a pizza, what you can tell me, like give the detailed step-by-step explanation. So give me detailed explanation step by step. So whatever you really need, you can simply type. Okay, so the only mantra is to ask. Okay, whatever you are asking, it is gonna give the reply. Okay, if you really love this kind of bonuses, guys, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, you just see here, give me detailed explanation by step. So it is automatically again it rewriting the sentence. Okay, you just see here 1 cup tomato sauce. So how much tomato sauce is needed? It is not mentioned here, but now it has been mentioned here. And 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Okay, you just see here. Do you really love this? If you really love this, you just post your comments in the live chat. If you are seeing it for first time, you just post it's first time Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, whatever you really want, you can simply type and you can ask a question. It will give you the reply, guys. Okay, is it super amazing? Okay, are you all people are really happy to being here in this event? Okay, if you are being feeling that, you just post I'm super happy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, you just see here it's just typing still. It might be a little bit slow because yeah, it's like a lot of people are using this. So this is the one thing, whatever the stuff which you really want. So how to fix brakes in my bicycle. So whatever you really want, you can simply type, it will give the reply. And additionally, this is for a normal user. Okay, normal, our family, our mother, our father, we used to if they have some question, they can ask in this chat gpt how to post something in Instagram. So whatever they need to have, they can simply ask it in this chat gpt, because it's like a basic assistant. So apart from it, you just see here guys, this instruction were very detailed, which is really super amazing, right? And if it is for general asking, you can use. And let us go a little bit, yes, next step towards as a student. Okay, so now if people are asking, if your faculties are asking to write an essay about something, okay, write an essay about democracy. Okay, so if that is the question or whatever, so you can just write an essay about democracy. So just simply typing and enter. If you really want a synopsis as well, you can also ask, write a synopsis for the above essay. So whatever you really want, what is the one and only mantra? Ask. Okay, so if you are just typing write an essay about democracy, so it will start writing. So just give a time, you just, yes, it just begin its journey. Okay, so guys, how many of you people are really feeling super amazing? So you just give your responses, you just express yourself in the chat. Okay, okay, just analyzed. Okay, so how it is giving the reply, because it has been already trained up to the year of 2021, I think so, which has been already 2021 complete data, which has been already trained. So by based on that, it is giving the reply. But now you can ask Sanjay, it can't able to give 2023 like updated information. Yes, it can. There is also a lot of cracks which is out there to solve that issue as well. There are a lot of things, guys, you can't able to imagine that. Okay, so yeah, so it just already learned from billions and billions of text data. So only thing is, this chat gpt, the output is going to be only text. Okay, it is not going to give any images or whatever, just it is going to give only images as an output, sorry, only text as an output. Okay, so this is what is all about. And also for an example, this is like essay creation as a student. If you want to get that information, you can use this chat gpt to create an essay for you. Okay, this is what the first thing. And as okay, as a student, we guys have crossed over. As a normal user, we guys have crossed this. And let us begin with as a programmer. Okay, so I'm going to write a Python program for generating Fibonacci series. Okay, so whatever you really want, you can simply type and you can press enter. So with the explanation, it will automatically write the Python program as well. Okay, so if you are just typing and if you're just pressing an enter, it will give you the responses here itself. As a programmer, it will give the suggestions. Here's the one way to write a Python program to generate the Fibonacci series. Yes, tada! So it started writing the Python programming by itself. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys all feeling some amazing, like some happy mind or some happy thought in your thought process. I'm feeling that. Okay, you just see here within very short lines of program, it completed the certain task or certain application. And also, it is giving me the explanation for the Python program as well. Okay, so if it is super amazing, you just post it super amazing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so yeah, that is what it's all about. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's see here. So just give a response in the live chat, guys. Yeah. So this is what is all about power of chat GPT. And other than that, there are a lot of tasks which you can do it with the help of this chat GPT. You can act like as a marketer. You can make it like to create a script for your ads, advertisement, whatever you really want. The only mantra is to ask. So it will give you the program. It might be writing embedded C program, whatever you really want. You just simply ask to it and press enter. So it will be giving you the solution. But sometimes it might not be available. You can just refresh and please wait. Definitely it will be available soon. So they are just providing a lot of facility. You can just use it for your use, okay, for whatever the need which you have. Okay, yes, a lot of people are really waiting for to create a chatbot. All right, so yeah, so let us begin that. So before that, let me convey you something. So guys, while talking about this chatbot, the chatbot can be created in lot more ways. Okay, the chatbot can be created by using programming, by using some UI. So while talking about program based chatbot creation, we need some lot of prerequisites. Prerequisites in the sense we need to master Python programming, we need to master NLP or machine learning or deep learning. So that journey is going to be a little bit difficult because within the first day itself we can't able to move on to directly creating a chatbot in depth. Okay, so that's why we are going to learn chatbot creation by using different interface like Google's dialect flow. So I hope you guys are super ready, and if you're all super ready, you just post "I'm super ready, Sanjay" in your live chat. So with the help of this Google's dialect flow, we are going to create a chatbot. Okay, and stay till I end because I'm gonna be revealing some surprises out there today, and I'm gonna be giving the task for winning an amazing gift. Okay, stay till I end. Okay, are you guys all ready? Okay, if you're all ready, you just post "I'm ready, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, super ready, super ready. Okay, so before that, let me convey you something. So which is like learning. So on the people for the people who wanted to learn something, they have some pain points. Pain points in the sense whenever people wanted to begin with the journey of learning artificial intelligence, the number one constraint, number one pain, the biggest pain is price. Because if you want to learn AI on the outside, so yes, you can learn it from the Udemy, but it is not the whole journey. It is not going to be guided. There is some data science course, some there is like it is like segmented. Yes, it is there, but it is not going to bring you to like customized part, or it is not going to be really like personalized. Okay, it's just that. But apart from the Udemy, there are a lot of AI course providers are there where we need to spend nearly around 1 lakh rupees or 20,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. So likewise, the number one pain for the learner is price, and the second pain is lack of confidence. So people, yes. So I'm from EC department. I'm from computer science department. I'm from civil department. How can I get the job in AI? So it might be in AI. It might be or anything. So lack of confidence. Third pain point is earning. So will I get high paying job? So that is what the yearning got out. And vacancy. Vacancy in the sense, is it a future based like career? And the trust. So the trust which they have out in the company, and the hesitation towards learning, and if there is information overload. So these are all the problem for the people who are out there. So for each and every learners. So if you all agreeing to this, we just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. So a lot of thoughts running in your mind as a person. Can I learn something? So those stuff. So for those people, so the pain point which is out there. So how about a learning mindset? So how about the price? How about the less price of courses? How about learning mindset to achieve what you really want? How about high paying job? How about in demand job to solve the vacancy problem? How about transparent environment? So how about the precise content with application based learning? Because the problem where I also faced in my school days is my faculty used to have like terror phase, like as we guys have discussed. So I don't love, or I don't get that much fond on programming. But at later passed by, I really love to do programming. So that is what it's all about. Whenever people used to suggest you need to master the programming first, people used to lose a lot of confidences. So based on the pain points, we guys have created an internship program, which is 30 days internship, which you are attending in the YouTube, so that which has been completely recorded. That's I have already told you. There is a difference between the YouTube versus the internship, because the YouTube webinar which you are attending here, this video is going to be deleted tomorrow. But if you really need the complete 30 days of video recording, there is an opportunity. This is the AI internship, where 30 days of recorded video lectures which is going to be there, 25 plus projects which is going to be there with the source code, with the data set, with the trained model file, bonus task and an assignment which is also going to be given there. So once you have registered for the internship, you will be getting the login access portal. So if you are just seeing here, you can able to see the curriculum out there. So likewise, each and every videos below, there is an attachment and assignment section where you can download the source code, dataset, trained model file, PPT, PowerPoint, PDF, and everything which you can able to download for the complete 30 days. This complete 30 days course, which has been already recorded, just going to be kept in the portal. And also you're going to get internship e-certificate for the lifetime validity, which the total value nearly around 28,000, but we are just offering at the price of 1,499 rupees with a GST. Okay, plus GST, and this is the sample certificate which you are going to get once you completed this internship. And if you need more, I can give you more. So what is the thing is, today. So this is our launch day of this webinar. So that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to be providing you one additional course for absolutely free. So what is the additional course which I'm going to be providing you is the Python programming. So Python programming is also a another course. So if you are just visiting this learn.pantech.solutions.net, number one course which is AI course, and the second course which is Python programming. So this is the second course which is also worth of 999, but I'm going to be providing you the another course which is absolutely free. Okay, so if you are registered for this internship, you just post if you're really interested in this internship, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat, because yeah, so do you need more? I used to give you more. So what is the another bonuses which is out there is, if you are registered for the internship, I'll be providing you the access for the community. So hub.warriorsway.in, this is the private social media out there where you can participate or where you can attend live events. So guys, you can tell Sanjay, you are just called me like this is a free session, and why you are asking me to pay. Guys, I'll give you the clarity about it. Guys, I'm not, as per the commitment, this 30 days is going to be free for you. I'm not going to hide code, or I'm not going to like hiding or whatever. So I'm just going to simply be transparent with you. You can see and you can type by yourself, and you can just completely exploring. You can able to explore that. Okay, that's there. Okay, so as per the commitment, free is there. 30 days is going to be free. For 30 days, every value which is going to be shown on the YouTube, you can just see and type. But the video might be deleted. Okay, so only for the internship benefits are the complete 30 days video recording is going to be available for your lifetime. The second advantage is you will be getting every attachments like source code, dataset, trained model file, PDF, zip, and like mind map, PPT. So everything is going to be given as like a zip file for each and every sessions. And additionally, this community access you will be getting an access, because in each and every weekend we used to conduct some events like live events in the sense we used to be conducting like live events on the technical skills, soft skills, and like how to make a money. So how many of you people are really here wanted to make money parallelly? So passive income. So how many people are interested? If you are interested, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. So likewise, those kind of values, those kind of live session, and also to clear all your doubts, we used to conduct weekend classes. So you can be part of this weekend classes. This is going to be Zoom. This complete weekend classes which we used to conduct for lifetime for each and every weekend, the total value which we are providing at the price of 4,999, which is going to be absolutely providing for free. Okay, so this is what the value which you are going to give. So I hope it is super amazing, right? And another very important thing, today is our launch and first day only for the action takers. What I'm going to do is, without the GST, I'm going to get rid of, or I'm going to remove the GST, and also I'm going to reduce the price to only 999 rupees to get this 2-in-1 course at the price of only 999. So our people will be giving you the link in the description or live chat. You just click that link and register for the internship, because this offer which is going to be only available for only an hour. Okay, so yes, I just rescind this countdown. Wait a minute. Okay, so which is gonna be available only for 1 hour. Okay, I'll start the countdown. Yes. Okay, so this is what it's all about, and only for this offer is gonna be only available for now, because if you are registering after that, you can able to get only one course at the price of 1499. Okay, so yeah, so let us create the dashboard. Sorry, let us create a chatbot. So for creating a chatbot, first of all, go to this normal Google, and you just type like Dialogflow console. Okay, this is what the search like text you just want to type. So you'll be getting this Dialogflow by using this URL. So dialogflow.cloud.google.com. This is the URL. I'll be giving that URL to you guys. Okay, you just use the URL to register for it. Sorry, to just go to this. Okay, so before that, give me a moment. Let me delete my previous chatbot which I've already created. Okay, so please do it with me. So if you are doing it with me, and if you guys have got this page, because once you have visited this URL dialogflow.cloud.google.com, so you'll be getting a page where it will ask you to sign up your account. So you just choose your Google account and get this page. So if you guys have got this up to now, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so guys, and another main thing, some people have already registered single course at the price of 1499. Those people will get the refund of remaining amount. I think 300 people have already paid for the single course at the price of 1499. For those 300 people, we will be refunding the remaining amount. Okay, remaining that 400 rupees, so that amount which is going to be refunded to you, and also the Python course also going to be updated to you, okay, for the lifetime. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so guys, are you all ready? Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, yeah, so so that's it. Okay, so first of all, once you have got this page, let us create the chatbot. So guys, are you all ready? So if you all ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat so that I can move on to creating a chatbot. Okay, so yes, so let us create a chatbot. Yes, a lot of people are posting that I'm ready. Okay, so once you have visited this URL, dialogflow.cloud.google.com, so once you have visited this URL, you'll be getting this page. What is the first step you need to do is you need to click create agent. Okay, there is a button called create agent. Okay, once you have clicked that create agent, the agent name is here, right? You just want to give the name for your chatbot. Okay, so what is the agent name which you want to give? Like I'm going to give Sanjay bot. Okay, once you have typed it, you just want to click create. Okay, so once you have done this, up to now, you just post I done this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, payment was already done. Super power engineer, amazing. That's amazing. Where is the payment link? Payment link which is given in the live chat. Okay, the people who can't able to attend the live session, okay, so the people who have difficulties in their time schedules, you can register for the internship at the lowest price ever, so you can just go for it. Okay, so once you have did it, you just and also let us have an interaction. You guys tell me what the name which are given for your chatbot. Okay, in the live chat, you just ping it their chatbot name in the live chat. Okay, just give your name in the live chat. Okay, what the name you have kept for your chatbot? Baymax, wonderful. Prabhakar and Shika bot, wonderful. Yes. So once you have did it, now what you need to do is on the left hand side, you need to choose or you need to go for the small talk option. Okay, there is a small talk option is there, right? So go for the small talk option and enable this. Okay, enable button will be there. And some of the categories like about agent category, courtesy category, and there are a lot of categories. There are some questions. Like if you are clicking this about agent, you can, if there is some question, if someone is asking like, who are you to your chatbot, what is the reply it should give? If someone is asking, who are you? I am Sanjay's chatbot. Okay, and also you can add for alternative reply. Like if someone is asking, who are you? I am a pizza ordering bot. Okay, I am a chatbot. So likewise, you can add alternative reply. So if someone is asking, how old are you? I am chatbot, you idiot. Okay, so likewise, you can add alternative reply. Okay, so this is what is all about. Okay, so are you clear? So whatever you're just doing, you just don't forget to click save. So once you guys have clicked save, and in the try it now option, you can type order. Sorry, you can ask a questions like how old are you? It's not mean that you need to ask exactly the same question. You can also have alternative question as well. You just see here, I am a chatbot, you idiot. Okay, you can give, you can check your chatbot from the right hand side. Okay, so and also who are you? So if someone is asking who are you to your chatbot will give I am a pizza ordering bot. Okay, do you really love this? If it is simple, you just post it simple Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so whatever you really want, you can simply type and you'll be getting a response on the right hand side itself. So whatever the changes which you are making in this chatbot in between, you'll be getting output on the right hand side. You can check your chatbot from the right hand side. Okay, if it is simple, you just post it simple Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, it's gonna be very, very, very easy. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so yeah, Shivanji Singh, it means it's not a free course. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a free course. This 30 days is gonna be conducted in the YouTube. But the YouTube, which has been constrained into 1 hour, right? So to only today, it is going to be 90-minute session, but rest of the day is going to be 1 hour session. But on the internship, we have covered additional bonuses, lot of new value, which is going to be given on the internship. And the another main difference is the video is going to be for permanently lifetime access. That is what the second difference. And third difference is you'll be getting the zip files of everything, like source code, data set, trained model files, and the PDF, PPT, and everything. These are the, and also if you are attending the YouTube, you will be getting a webinar certificate. But in the internship, you will be getting an internship certificate, the paid internship. Okay, so the internship will be getting the internship certificate. That is what it's all about. Okay, that's what the main difference. Okay, so without enrolling that, I can't do a session. No, not like that. You can attend this YouTube free session for this 30 days. Don't worry about it. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, click save. So you'll be getting an output. Okay, are you clear? Shall I move on to the next step? If you are clear, shall I move on to the next step? You just post I'm clear, Sanjay, in your live chat, so that I can move on to it. Okay, so yes. So now what is the thing is, I'm gonna be moving on to the next step, like intents. Okay, while talking about an intent, why you are creating your chatbot? What is the purpose of your chatbot? Is it going to be helpful for ordering pizza? Is it going to be helpful for booking a ticket? Is it for doing a customer support? Is it for like a product support? So what is the purpose of creating this chatbot? That is what is the intent is. So on that intent, you just want to click create intent. So click the intent on the left hand side, click create intent, and give the intent name. Okay, my intent name is order pizza. Okay, I'm going to create this chatbot for ordering the pizza for my company. Okay, company employees. So that is what order pizza has been done. Okay, are you all with me, guys? If you all with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so this is what is all about. Then what we are going to do is we are going for training phrase. So what is the training phrase is, there is a button called add training phrase. So click that and give the training phrases. What is the training phrases is, I'm going to give order me a pizza. This is what the training phrase which I'm giving, and press enter. So once it has been clicked enter, so if you are scrolling down under the text response, I'm going to give pizza order is completed. So this is what the output which I've given. Okay, training phrases I've added order me a pizza, and in the text responses which I've given like pizza order is completed. Once it has been done, click save. Once it has been saved, on the right hand side, you just type order pizza and press enter. Once you have pressed enter, you will be getting pizza order is completed. That is the output response we have got. Okay, is it super simple? If it is super simple, you just post SS Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what it's all about, which is gonna be getting in like training phrases, adding a training phrases, and getting the response for that. But this is not the thing which we are going to do now. So we are going to do apart from this. So what is the thing is, we are going to do the data visual like data validation. So while talking about the validation, it's like based on the data, we are going to change, we are going to cross verify whether it is a proper data or not. So what we are going to do is, let us add another questions, like I'm going to add some training phrases to get the email to understand what is the email ID format is. Okay, so order pizza to the email, or let me give the email ID format. Okay, it's not need to be a mandatory like valid email ID. It can be a dummy email. Okay, I'm going to give sanjay@gmail.com. You just want to select this, and here you can type email sys.email. So once it has been done, don't forget to click save. Okay, so once it has been saved, you just scroll down, and here there is an option called manage parameters and action. Just click that, and email entity which has been shown, because we have already choose this as in system.email, and you just want to enable that. And under the prompts category, you just want to click define prompts, and here enter that. So like enter the question. So enter your email ID, or may I know your email ID. So likewise, you can add alternative questions for that. Okay, so you can add some alternative questions like this, and you can click close, and you can click save. So whatever the thing which you are doing, don't forget to click save, guys. So on the right hand side, again, I'm going to ask the same question. Order pizza, enter. Enter your email ID. Now if for an example, now I'm giving phone number. Okay, instead of giving a email ID. Ta-da! So you just see here, it's asking the same question. May I know your email ID? Okay. So whenever you are giving something different, so it will be giving like, may I know your email ID? May I know your email ID again and again? Okay, so that is what the data validation we have configured with the help of this entities like training phrases. We guys have selected this format. Okay, so even if you are giving alphabet, it won't work. It will again and again. It will ask the same question. Enter your email ID. Even if you are giving a phone number, it will give the same question. Enter your email ID because the data has not been validated. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to give some email ID. Okay, in the proper email ID format, champ@gmail.com. We are pressing an enter. Ta-da! So we got an output like pizza order is completed. Okay. So is it super clear? Okay. If it is super clear, you just post it's super clear, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay. So this is what it's all about. Okay. So we guys have created a basic chatbot with the help of this Google Dialogflow. Especially we guys have added the training phrases. So additionally, what we can do is we can add some more training phrases. Like for an example, order pizza to the mobile number. You can give some mobile number, so it no need to be your valid email a valid number, guys. It can be some dummy phone number. You can select it with your mouse cursor. So again, one dialog box will be open. So here type PHONE like phone number. So don't forget to click save. So once it has been saved, if you are scrolling down under the action and that parameter, enable the phone number option and go to the define prompts link and ask the question. May I know your contact number? Okay. So likewise, you can add it. And under the text responses, you can add whatever you want. So it's the same thing. So save it. And you can check it out chatbot. Order pizza. And if you are pressing an enter, may I know your email ID? So I'm going to give the email ID like champ@gmail.com. May I know your contact number? So I'm going to give the contact number like this and enter. And pizza order is completed. Okay, so instead of asking if it is asking a phone number, if you are giving even alphabet, it won't work. It will ask the same question again and again. Okay, so if it is clear, you just post I'm clear, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so this is what is all about. Okay, because it's going to be very easy to develop and it is also going to be very easy to deploy. Okay, so guys, please don't spam for the attendance. Okay, if you are coming for the attendance, it's not a right place. You can simply leave the session. Okay, please don't do the spamming for the attendance. Okay, that is what is all about. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Okay, so that is what is all about. Then what we are going to do is what is it? It's like entities. Okay, how to add some entities like custom entities, which is gonna be helpful for adding some toppings and those stuff. Okay, let us click that entity and click create entity. So while talking about an entity, it's like toppings for the pizza. Okay, so you guys tell me what are all the toppings you can add for your pizza. You just give your responses in the live chat. So here what you can do is you can add some toppings like cheese, or you can add like capsicum, and you can add like what to say, so mushroom, or you can put up a spicy. Okay, so likewise you can add some toppings like olive. Yes, olive. So likewise you can add some toppings and you can click save. And once it has been saved, go back to the intent again and go back to this order pizza again. So here what you can do is again you can add some training phrases like order pizza with cheese. Okay, so you can select the cheese and you can type toppings, the toppings which we guys have created, the entity which we guys have created. So once you have done it, click save. Again, the toppings is going to be appeared here. Enable that. And here you can ask the question. What toppings do you need? Okay. So you can type it and you can close it. And below, it is going to give the response, but you can customize that as well. So you can customize like pizza with dollar. You can use the dollar symbol to choose the entity's response. I'll show the output, then you'll understand. Pizza with toppings order is completed with the email ID of dollar and dollar and then email, and with a phone number of, you can use dollar and phone number. So likewise you can give and you can click save. On the right hand side, let us check it out our chatbot. So if you are typing order pizza, it's asking, may I know your email ID? Okay, so if it is asking for the email ID, so if I'm going to give alphabet, it is going to ask the same question until you are giving the proper email ID, champ@gmail.com, and the may I know your contact number. So while asking about the contact number, so I'm going to give some phone number, and I'm going to click enter, and it's asking what toppings do you need. So I'm going to give cheese now, and if I'm pressing enter, ta-da! So pizza with cheese or toppings order is completed with the email ID of champ@gmail.com and phone number of the phone number which we have given as an input. Okay, so is it clear? Okay, if it is clear, you just post it super clear, or if it is simple, you just post it super simple, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so we guys have created a very basic simple chatbot with the help of Dialogflow. And you may think, Sanjay, I really expected a programming, but why you are teaching this? Guys, I've already told you, I want to bring you to a journey where you will get a confidence, because the main problem with the people is like people used to think, these are like so easy. So whenever we are thinking like, I don't know, I know everything, we will be losing to learn something new. So that's why to bring it to the journey, because a lot of people used to not having their confidence on learning chatbot or learning AI or whatever. So that's why to bring them into this journey, the first of all, we are beginning with the basic and easy stuff, as this is the 30-day series, each and every day while going, because today there is no programming, but tomorrow we are going to start with the programming, and from tomorrow it is completely gonna be a programming and task oriented. Okay, so don't give up till the end. Okay, so you can don't judge it by simply just seeing this UI interface and those stuff, because as days going by, the difficulty level is gonna be increased, and it will create the confidence to accomplish the certain task very easily. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if you are clear and if it is useful, you just post it's useful, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so that's what it's all about. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to do the integration. For an example, if you are having some something like, if you are having some website, okay, so you can integrate this chatbot with your like with your with your WhatsApp or whatever you really want. Okay, so to do that, what we are going to do is, let us go for the integrations option. If you are scrolling down, there is a web demo. Okay, so there is an option called web demo. Okay, so just click that web demo and enable it. Okay, so enable, and you can able to see the source code which is automatically it has been generated. You can copy the source code and you can put it in your website to create this chatbot like this. Okay, so you can ask like order pizza, same thing which I have did before. Okay, so you can integrate this chatbot with your website even. Okay, so enter your email ID. So I'm going to give some email ID, sanjay@gmail.com, and it's asking my phone number. So if it is asking for phone number, if I'm giving alphabet, it won't work, because we have already configured as an entity. So we need to give the phone number format, proper phone number format, and enter. And what toppings do you need? We need cheese, and enter, and ta-da! So pizza with cheese topping order is completed with the email ID of sanjay@gmail.com and the phone number of the phone number which I have given. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is what is all about creating a chatbot. And in the internship, so some people have talked about the internship, what they are giving in the internship, because it is very similar. So what is the thing is, in the internship, we guys have added another additional value, which is like how to integrate your chatbot with the help of this Google Assistant. So each and every people used to have a Google Assistant. You can integrate this chatbot with your Google Assistant, where you can talk it like a voice, like, okay Google, talk to my Sanjay bot. So chatbot will be, your chatbot will be enabled. So, and the next thing, whatever you are asking, you will be asking to your chatbot, like order pizza, my email ID. So likewise, you can integrate this chatbot with your Google Assistant itself. So that can be done. That complete coaching is also going to be given on the 30 days internship. So likewise, lot of new bonuses, lot of new value which used to give on the internship. So you can check that out, our internship program, to know more in detail. Okay. So guys, are you clear? Okay. If you are clear, you just post "I'm super clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay. So this is what it's all about. Okay. So I hope you are clear. Okay. So because in the internship, we guys have taken a lot of time with the patients. We guys have got to know every detail to you. Okay. So that's what it's all about. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. If you are super clear, so you just see here, and another main thing. So if you want to integrate the chatbot with your WhatsApp, you can do it with the help of Twillo. Okay, Twillo, it will generate an international number. So with the help of the international number, that is going to be given into the WhatsApp. So whoever the pinging to that number, so it will be like enabling your chatbot. So your chatbot can able to reply. So likewise, your chatbot can be integrated with the messenger. Your chatbot can be integrated with the Telegram. So there are a lot more stuff which you can do it with the help of this Dialogflow chatbot itself. Okay, so are you clear? Okay, so we guys have created an intent. Under the create intent, we guys have given the name like order pizza, and we guys have added training phrases, and we guys have added action in the parameter and responses. Okay, we guys have given detailed information on the internship. If you really need like slow kind of learning, slow and steady, register for the internship and you'll be getting the value about it. Okay, so are you clear? If you are clear, and if you are super clear, you just post "I'm super clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. So that is what it's all about. And before going further, so I would like to congratulate a lot of internship participants who are already registered and enrolled for the internship. I'm super happy that, and I'm welcoming you all to this community. So you'll be getting the 100 times value that you are paid, the amount of rupees 1,000. Okay. And it's time to have another very important thing, another very important bonus, which I really want to share with you. I hope you really love bonuses. If you are ready to learn, or if you're ready to listen, if you really love bonuses, you just post "I love bonus Sanjay" in your live chat. So what is this Sanjay programming mind? Why you are taking another further more session or further more points about program part, which is all about. So if you are having these thoughts running in your mind, guys, I'm telling you, okay, apart from the skills, okay, you just imagine you are superb at technical skills. You will be an employee. Yes, you are earning a lot, but you can't able to go to the next level to become a product manager or to become a team lead, or you want to become a product manager, you want to become a CEO of a company. So that is what it begins with, the mindset. It's begin with the other alternative and additional skills which you need to master. For an example, if you're talking about Sundar Pichai, if he is only good at skill set, he is not good at attitude, or if he is not good at some other stuffs, he'll be an employee for his lifelong. But apart from it, he is good at decisions making. He is good at team management. He is good at a lot of other skills which is needed. So that's why he became a CEO of Google, and now he just became a CEO of Alphabet. Okay, so that's why we really need to have some aware about some mindset, which we need to have a conscious about it. A lot of people are not having an awareness about it. So that's why I really wanted to discuss something about the mindset programming. If you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. If you all interested, you just post "I'm interested Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, just give your responses. Okay, so yes, guys, a lot of people are spamming about attendance and times up and those stuff. As I've already told you, this session is gonna be 90-minute plus other alternative additional interaction. But if you are don't have time, you can simply leave. Like it's not a right place for you. Okay, you can leave and you can do whatever you really want. Okay, yes, some people are posted interested. So for those people, I'll be giving you something. Guys, the first point which I really wanted to discuss is success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. Guys, for each and every people, success is going to be different. For an example, some people will think, Sanjay, I want to own this much crores of house because I don't have own house. I don't have bike. I don't have good skills. People used to have some thoughts running in their mind that I want to be success by owning something and those stuff, right? So if you are having that thought, so it need to be a progressive realization. It's not like one day we are specifically thinking about, okay, I if I have only normal house, that will be fine, and another day you'll be thinking like I want to own a big house. So success is gonna be a progressive realization. So whatever stuff which you really wanted to in your life. You just want to think all the time in your life. So success is the progressive realization of what the ideal. And the second point is always think big. So guys, whatever you really want. So if you need a bike, or do you need a car, do you need a house, don't constrain yourself. Like for an example, don't dream like, if I own a normal car, it'll be okay for me. Don't think like that. Instead, try to own a big cars or expensive cars. So whatever you are really thinking, don't constrain yourself. Like you always should think big in your life. Whatever the object, whatever the thing which you really want, you should always think big. Because still now, so some people at this point, a lot of people have posted, used to tell like, Sanjay, how can I think big? I'm getting only 10,000 salary. I'm getting only 15,000 salary. How can I own a BMW car? Guys, your past is not equal to the future. So if you are talking about the skills, you can consider about the past. But if you are talking about your mindsets, it's not about your past, because our past is not gonna be your future. So now at current stage, you might be a poor, but it's not going to be your future. So don't constrain your dream based on the past and current situation which you are. So it might be changed at any point of the time. You can be richer. You can be a very most skillful person in this world. So at any point of the time. So don't constrain your dreams. That is what the second thing. And the third thing, if you are not filling your day with high priority action, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. Guys, if you are not knowing what you are going to do on that day is going to be filled with low priority distractions. For an example, whenever you are waking up on the morning, if you don't know what you are going to do on that day is going to be filled with Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and those stuff. If you are a creator, that will be fine. But if you are just a consumer, that is really a waste of time, right? So you should know what you are going to do on that day specifically. So that's what the third point which I really want to discuss. Okay. So is it super insightful? Okay. If you all agree to this point, you just post I'm agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, because we need to know what you are going to do on the day towards your goal or towards your destination which you want to become. And the fourth point, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. Yes. Let us take today's life as an example. Okay. So, guys, you just imagine this today's scenario. In this life, some positivity, most of the like 80% positivity is happened, and 20% of the negativity might be happened. Just analyze the live chat now. This is the real time example which I'm gonna be showing for your mindset. Okay, so guys, are you all ready? If you all ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you the real time example as like for your lifetime. Live chat. Okay, just compare or just see your live chats. Okay, just scroll down before 15 minutes or before 30 minutes. You just scroll up and you can check it out. We will plant positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. So what is the real meaning? Guys, you just imagine your mind is like a land where you can plant both a poisonous plant as well as a fruit plant. Okay, poisonous plant is going to grow. It's not mean that poisonous plant is going to grow very slow and fruit plant is going to grow very fast. Both the plant is going to grow very faster and equally. It's about to you to choose which plant you are choosing. So for an example, in this live chat, you might have watched a lot of people used to spread some negativities. Like they might not like. Yes, I used to agree because it's not mean that everyone should only say positive thing and not talking about the negative or which they don't like. I'm trying to focusing about if you don't like something, leave it and go what you really want, where you really want to go. You just scroll down the chat. Some people are posted, you are spamming, or some people are posted, you are just wasting my time. You are wasting. So they used to post, you are wasting my time. You are wasting my time for more than 10 times or more than 20 times, but still they are in life. You know, like it's their intention is not to waste their time and to be productive. Their intention is to spread that in the live chats. You are wasting. I'm not even wasting, like I wanted to share as much knowledge I can. If you really like, stay and attend and listen to me. Else, leave the session, close your YouTube and do what you really love. whatever the task which you really wanted to do, don't focus on negative things. What kind of thoughts you are planting? Okay, so as a friendly mentor, I'm just giving it to you. Even though you are attending my session or whoever session, if you don't like something, close it and focus what you really want. But a lot of people used to do this. They'll simply close it and they'll go for the YouTube shorts or Instagram reels to watch the dance of other people or the success of other people. Like, so instead of focusing on what they really want, they used to focus on what they really don't want. So that is the fourth point. Is it super inciting? Okay. If it is super inciting, you just post it's super inciting Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so then that is the fourth point. And fifth point, what we are today is the total of our thoughts and action which we have taken previously. For an example, if people are here, okay, if people are here, like what to say, it's like what to say, it's like from the beginning. So we guys have started this live with around 3,100 participants, I think so. So 100 people have left, 1,000 people have left now. So for an example, so if you just see this, they guys have missed this mindset session, which is I'm not telling like this is gonna be really mandatory and those stuff, but this might help them to be aware of something, aware of not focusing on negativity, aware of being productive, aware of always thinking big, aware of don't complain others, aware of being productive and being engaging to what you really want. Okay, so that is what the decision this 2,127 people except the attendance waiters. So the people who are all waiting to know something new from me, those people are getting that awareness. So that is what is all about. What we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we have taken previously. So if you are in some situation where if you are not good at skill set, if you are not good at programming, or if you are not good at like communication skill, whatever, that is based on the thoughts and action which you have taken previously. So that's why always be aware of on the present and always try to grab the opportunity as much you can. That will be really helpful for you to not to miss that opportunity. So for an example, if you have completed this 30 days without any gap, 30 days series, you will be familiar with machine learning hands-on, deep learning hands-on, NLP hands-on, AI using cloud hands-on. Every hands-on you'll be experienced that I can assure you. So please be aware of the thoughts and action which you are taking currently now. Okay, currently on your life. And the sixth point, you become what you think all day long. Guys, what you are, what is it? What's like you become what you think all day long, which is nothing but, okay, there are some people, or even let us take me, okay, before knowing about these mindset and those stuff. I'll also like that. So people used to talk, let me give you some list. People used to think like, I don't have money, I don't have own house, I don't have rich family, I'm not good at skill set, I don't know how to even do the programming, I'm not having any skills, I'm not having any passion, I don't have car, I don't have bike, I'm not looking handsome, I don't have good dresses to wear, so a lot of people used to think this. Yes, that might be they are from poor family, they may have these problems, yes, but even though you have this, try to do a minor phase shift in your mindset. Even though you are in the situation, think like this: I need a money, I want to be rich, I want to go to a world tour, I need a house, I need a bike, I need a car, I want to look handsome, I want to master programming, I want to master communication skills, I need to build my network to 1 crores of people, I need to become more popular, or more popular in the sense like helping towards the society. So is it insightful? If it is insightful, you just post bulb on Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what you are thinking, you will become that. If you are thinking about your problems, if you are thinking about this is waste, this is not useful, this is not good, this is bad, that is like that, this is like that, you will be receiving that. Okay, so you become what you think all day long. If you are thinking about the problem, definitely you will take that as your intake. If you are thinking about the solution, if you don't like something, leave it and focus what you really love to do. Okay, you become what you think all day long. That is the sixth point. And the seventh point, we see good in people, people see good in us. Guys, if your neighbor or if your friend is doing something which you really don't love, people used to do this mistake. To the other friend will go, he is like that. We used to tell like, he is like that, he is like that, his speech is very bad, uh, like his activities were very bad, he is like that. Stop that. As a friend, you can go directly to him, and you can, as a friend, you can advise to change himself. He is not changing. Try to be away and be positive. What you really want, focus on what you really want. Don't spread the negativity. Like he's like, it's like, for an example, there is a difference. If someone doing some publicly, if someone is doing bad, if it need to be like corrected, you can go and you can fight and you can win, and you can prove them. That's different. But other than that, among our network, among our parents, with the students, with the colleagues, we should not blame others. We should not see bad in them. We should not spread them. Even though they have the bad in them, you should focus on good in them so that they'll see good in you. So, okay, so that it will build a little bit on leadership as well. It will be really great to you. Okay, so are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post that's amazing, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, now eighth point, don't do the same thing and expect different results. People used to do the same thing and they used to have, or they are used to have different results. Okay, so for an example, how many of you people are here wanted to read or wanted to make a book reading as a habit, but whenever we used to take a book, we used to felt asleep? So if you are, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Still now see some people are spreading that negativities. Yes, okay, let us skip them. Okay, so that is what it's all about. You just tell me if you are a kind of person who used to have that problem. Because what is the thing is, whenever while talking about the task or whatever you really wanted to do, for an example, while talking about the book reading as a habit, you will take the book which the world is suggesting for you. The book suggests like the popular or the top sold books, like the man who sold his Ferrari, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, or what is it? Whatever. The Attitude is Everything, Subconscious, The Power of Subconscious Mind, Ikigai. So people used to take that kind of book which the world is suggesting, and they'll start reading, and they'll be feeling, oh God, it's boring. Okay, so instead, and they used to take the same book again and again, they'll try to think like, I want to make a book reading as a habit. Definitely it won't happen, because try to change the way of the action which you are doing so that you can change the results. So instead of taking the book which the world is suggesting, try to choose your own book which you are interested in. Like for an example, if you are love horror stories, try to read a small horror book. Small, nearly like 10 pages of book, or 20 pages, or 25 or 50 pages, so that it will create interest on book reading. So it's just one example. Book reading is just one example. Okay, so don't do the same thing and expect different results. Okay, is it a good idea? If it is a good idea, you just post it's good idea, Sanjay, in your live chat. And the ninth point, focus is the most valuable asset in a time. It's not mean that you are going to focus more than for 90 minutes. So it's not mean that if you are studying for 12 hours, it's not mean that you are great, because this time hunger will pop up the notification like your friend tagged you, so you will be opening that and will be putting the responses like who tagged me, putting a comment and putting a like. So it's not about the time, it's about the focus which you are keeping on the certain work. So even though you are studying only for 1 hour, I'm not talking about the studying means your subjects. It might be any productivity task. If you want to start a company, or whatever the productivity task which you really wanted to do, so that can be done that should be done with the focus, not with the time constraint. It's about the focus. Focus is the key. And final thing, start writing your goals daily and visualize it daily. This has been suggested by a lot of successful people. You can talk about the best example, Grant Cardone. So he's super rich, like he's having a private jet, he's having helicopter, super rich, like. And also if you are just looking out his Instagram profile, so if you are just scrolling, behind him there is a helicopter, his helicopter, which has been written his name, I think GC. So he just, in this description, he wrote something. It is super insightful. What he just wrote is, I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what the statement which he written. I'm repeating again. I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what the statement he which written in that description. So whatever you really want in life, write that you already owned it. That will be helping you to achieve that. That will be programming your subconscious mind to grab what are all the things which is needed to achieve that. Okay. So guys, is it super insightful? Okay. So is this 11 points are super amazing? If it is super amazing, you just post it's super amazing, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay. So whatever you really want in your life, try to focus on that. Please be throw away this objects out of this room if you wanted to do some productivity activities. Always focus on what you really want. Okay. Like this is what it's all about. Okay. So that's why. So this kind of programming mind session, this kind of technical bonuses mindsets, so everything which has been given for the internship participant too. Okay, so that is what the power of our community, where we'll be providing not only the skill set as well as the mindset, as well as the entrepreneurship coaching, everything we used to give it on the internship. So that is what the huge value. And if you guys have any trust issues, if you guys have any my personal issues, Sanjay can't able to take classes with super interaction on those stuff, you can go for this Pantech solutions of Pantech.AI, where there is 12,492 Google reviews. You just see here, you can just read the comments. Okay, you can read the description. You can also search for the name called Sanjay, and you can also check my personal reviews as well, like how my classes were. The excellent instructor. So you can see here 12,492 reviews. You just see here, Priya posted, I'm very happy to attend the session. Daily I'm learning new things. It's useful for freshers as well as the experienced person. Sanjay motivating daily by new things and new experience. Free live session is very useful for student, like the session useful to attend placement and get placed as soon as possible. Conduct more classes like this. You just see here, these are like not a single word comment. It's like a word paragraph kind of reviews. You just see here, I don't owe my professional success to my destiny, courage, luck, belief. I owe it to a wonderful scholar like you. Nothing can come close to the inspirational presence of instructor like you in a student's journey. You have no idea how important a role playing in my research development. If you guys have any trusting issues, you can check it out our review and make a decision to register for the internship. Only 20 minutes were left to register for the internship at the price of 999 to get AI course and Python course with a lifetime validity with internship certificate. We are going to get 2 internship certificate, AI internship certificate and Python internship certificate. The link which is given in the description below, you just click that link and register for that. Okay, so once you have registered, you will be getting the access portal link, learn.panicsolutions.net. From that, you can able to log in and you can just check it out. Okay, the amazing gift task announcement, which is also going to be given now. So the link, if you are clicking the link, okay, what is the thing is like, if you are clicking that link, you can able to see 5 questions based on the session which we guys have crossed over. If you don't know, you can also check it out, or you can just refer an internet and you can just put the answer. So from that, I'm going to be choosing some people, and for those people, I'm going to be giving an amazing gift. Okay, so I hope you really love this. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so is it super insightful? So are you all happy to being here? And if you guys have any question, you just raise your questions in the live chat. I'll be clearing your all your doubts. Mind map software, the mind map which we are using, the software application which is Xmind, XMIND, Xmind. Okay, and from tomorrow, don't judge by today's session, because from tomorrow it is going to be completely hands-on from the scratch. If you have missed the tomorrow session, you can't cope up on the upcoming series, because tomorrow's is going to be the fundamental basic, because the Python programming, how to install the software, the complete basic Python programming is going to be taught tomorrow. So don't miss out the tomorrow session. Please explain about the internship. Okay, actually, as per our commitment, guys, this 30 days is going to be free on the YouTube. But we are not going to share the source code and data set, but I'm going to be show it to you. You can just simply see and you can type it, whatever you really want. That is what the YouTube, and you're also going to get webinar certificate once the 30 days has been completed. But while talking about the internship, the first thing, you will be getting the 30 days of video recordings access for lifetime. Second thing, you will be getting the complete materials, which includes PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, dataset, PPT, PDF, mind map. Everything you are going to get as like a zip files. And third value, you are going to get the lifetime access for the private social media. And fourth thing, you can able to attend every weekend live sessions to clear your doubts or to get the new value about AI or any new updation which has been done. That is what the fourth value which you are going to get. And the fifth value which you are going to get is in the YouTube you will be getting a webinar certificate, but in this 999 rupees you are going to get internship certificate, internship certificate. That is 2 internship certificate you are going to get. Okay, and also some bonus task and an assignment which is also out there. So by completing this 2 course, you'll be building, I think, moreover, nearly around 35 to 30 to 35 plus project you'll be completing by yourself. Okay, you can add it in your resume, whatever you really want. Okay, so that's all up to here. And this YouTube live video, which is going to be deleted within a single day. But if you're registering for the internship, it is going to be available for lifetime. And also, there is also an additional 1 course for free. That is a Python programming. Okay. Naikudu PSR. Hi, sir. I'm 39 years old. As a government teacher, I want to learn something new, creative, and extra financial support. Is it correct platform? Financial support. I don't know what you are representing that financial support is, sir. But yeah, so I think it might be a salary based on. But while talking about the AI, sir, I would like to tell something. If it is computer vision and deep learning engineer, we can completely master that Python programming and computer vision and its libraries and deep learning and those stuff. We can become an AI engineer. But while talking about data science, which we need more experience on it, because while talking about AI engineer, it's like a development where you used to work on a lot of projects, where you used to solve some problems on autonomous robot design or robots or those stuff. But while talking about the data scientist or data analyst, where we need to solve a company's problem, we need to give a lot of business insight for the large companies. So we need to understand more about the data and we need to be capable of getting an insight from the data. So we need more practice on creating a dashboard which it can able to give the as much information as it can within a short span of time, which it need to be super interactive. And whenever the questions are asking by the management, we should be able to reply for that by based on the data, not by the emotion. We need more experience on that exposure. Okay. So Yutika, thank you so much, sir. I am your very old student. Great, great. Thank you so much to being here. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Certificate is available for free course. Yes, yes, it's available. Yes, yes, session is over. You can leave, guys. And if you guys have any question, you can ask your questions. I'm 34 from civil engineering side, but I want to switch your career, interested in Python. Yes, definitely, you can get into it. There are a lot of case studies. You can check it on your YouTube, mechanical engineer or civil engineer to data science and those stuff. Yes, I'll give Python internship certificate as well. Yeah. How do we join for tomorrow's course? Tomorrow's session, the link will be shared on the live chat. Oh, sorry, the link will be shared through by email. What do I need to install on my PC for tomorrow's session? No need to install anything because I'm going to be teaching you everything from the scratch. Ayush, thanks, sir. This was a wonderful session. Thank you so much. It's really great review. Thank you so much. Guys, attendance link which is given in the lecture, guys. Please stop spamming about the attendance. Which language was used in your internship course? Which is Python. Python. Shwatika, Sanjay, thank you so much, Sanjay. As being a student, I feel it's worthy and learned a lot. Wonderful. That's amazing. Stay connected. I have a question. After creating the chatbot, how can I access it another time? You can access it by integrating that chatbot with a website or wherever you really need, or else you can just visit that Dialogflow console to edit or modify it. When integrating the chatbot to a website, do we paste the code anywhere at the source code of the website? It's the very important thing where you need that chatbot. So based on that, you need to copy paste the code. Which language was used in your internship course? It's Python. Yes, it's Python programming, guys. Do we need PC? Yes, if you have, it will be really great, because or else you just want to watch like video, you can't able to practice by yourself. So it is highly necessary. And if you guys haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You can follow me through the LinkedIn. Insta funds. I don't have any degree. I was just passed the 10th and don't anything about this. Don't worry, because in our community we have a student from 8th standard who is studying 8th standard. He is also completed. I think he might completed 5 or course 6 course might be. Okay, yes, it's no problem with that. You can start learning. Can I continue with the Linux system in this session? Yes, you can, but you need to be knowing how to handle the software in the Linux, because moreover it will be covering up the Windows because the majority uses. So yeah, so based on your need, yeah, definitely you can do. I want to do a thesis. How can it help me it? It might be based on the topic which are choosing. It's like it might be giving you an idea, because in this 30 days we are having the categories, like ML, DL, NLP, and those stuff. And from that, which you really love to work on, so you can choose that and you can go for it. Syed Ahmed, yes, Python programming we have chosen. Yes, Python programming has been used. Jai Kishore, I am from London. Big fan of you in the very first session. Thank you so much, Jai Kishore. Thank you. It's amazing. Thank you, Lena. Thank you. Fantasy Dark. Not everything is enough. Okay. Whatever the course which you are completing, whenever you are studying from lot of sources, it will bring you something new at any time. Okay. Even I am also learning still. Okay. Not a person can say I am a super master. Okay. So there is always a learning phase for each and every people. We need to. Don't think this is gonna be completely perfect and completely fulled up. Oh, that's not easy. It's not possible even. I'm from Malaysia. Thank you for the session. Just bought the course. Wonderful. That's amazing. Superb. How to make the payment from international? I think you can use the link, or else you just ping me or ping our team so that they'll send you the international link. Yernal will eat. You are an excellent instructor, sir. I really thank you. This is my first certification from PS. Super amazing. Thank you so much. Warmly welcoming you all to this community. Is there C++ language in your course? No, sorry. Python and R programming is there. Thank you, Venkat. Thank you. Super amazing. Thank you. Vanali, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do I prove my attendance? You just want to fill up attendance link, guys. Super Karthik. Okay, super amazing. Okay, super guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are giving wonderful replies, and thank you so much. And stay connected, because from tomorrow we are moving on to the core hands-on, because we are going to starting up with the Python programming in depth. So don't miss out the session from tomorrow. It's going to be very very important session. Okay, and if you guys haven't connected with us, you can also follow through our LinkedIn, or like my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click that link and follow me through the LinkedIn. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click a bell icon so that you'll be notified for the upcoming 30 days. You might not miss it. And if you guys have any project or product related queries, you can visit pantech.solutions.net. So, and don't forget to follow me, my link, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click the link and follow me through the LinkedIn. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely interaction, your positivity, your support, which you are given throughout this live session. So thank you. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.